How to choose the right engine oil. There are many different types of engine, and each one requires a certain type of oil. There are two important factors when choosing an engine oil, which can be found on the back of each Q8Oils bottle: the viscosity, the specification. As you already know from our previous videos, viscosity tells you how the oil flows at different temperatures, while the performance is defined by the engine manufacturer or by a general industry specification. Q8Oils allows you a very handy online tool which tells you the correct Q8Oils product for your vehicle. Visit Q8Oils.com/oil-recommendation-tool and get started.